Hello viewers, Namaste Vidyarthiyon, dear students. Today we shall discuss about the algebraic expressions and identities. What are the introduction of algebraic expressions, how algebraic expressions can be represented on the number line, and what are the terms, factors and coefficient of algebraic expressions, types of algebraic expressions, monomial, binomial, trinomial and polynomials, and like and unlike terms of algebraic expressions. Now, this is a chapter 9th of class 8th NCERT book. We shall solve today exercise 8.1 question number first and second. Now, what are the algebraic expressions? Before going with the algebraic expression, we shall know about what are the variables. Variables क्या होते हैं? A variable does not have a fixed values. It can be varied and represented by alphabetic letters like A, B, X, Y, P, M, etc. You can write with any letters A, B, U, alpha, beta, anyway, any variable according to your choice of any language. If I write in Hindi, then Ka, Kha, Ga, etc. These are the examples of a variable. Constants. A constant has a fixed value. Any number without a variable is a constant. It means constant means those quantities having fixed value. Just I consider the pi, just I consider with the e, just I consider 10 to the power 10. Values of these are same anywhere, although in India, although in USA, UAE or anywhere, values of a constant remains the same or variables may be changed. So, then what are the definition of algebraic expression? It is a combination of a constant. This is no important word. This is a combination. Combination of constant and variable using the operations like addition, subtraction, etc. Or in another way, algebraic expression involving numbers, parentheses, operation signs. Just like consider, we can use plus, minus, multiplication, division, all the brackets. These are the mathematical operators we can use for making algebraic expressions. Just we consider example 4x plus 7. If we multiply 4 and x, then 8 to 7, we get 4x plus 7. Similarly, x square. What is x square? So, the variable multiplying by itself. If y square, then multiply by itself. What is a 7y square? So 7 is multiplied by the y square. What is y square? Y square y is multiplied by y itself. So therefore, you can write any examples. Suppose x upon y plus z. Clear? This is also example of a algebraic expression if you write. Clear? So we are trying to avoid the denominator. We have to write only x plus z in the polynomial because the power negative is not possible. Therefore, x upon y plus z is not a polynomial. Now, we move to next slide. How polynomial can be expressed on the number line? Just we consider an example x plus 5. See the example x plus 5. In this variable is x and as a position x. Suppose this is a position of variable x from the number line. We started from the O. Clear? Now, what is a 5? X may be anywhere on the number line, but is defined that the value of x plus 5 is given by a point P 5 unit ahead from the x. Similarly, if we consider the value x minus 4, clear, will be 4 unit of the left, clear. If we write x minus 4, assume this is number line, this is point O, this is point x. So this is 4. If you consider any 4 unit, then this is your point P. Clear? This point P represents x minus 4. Now, if we consider similar way 4x plus 5, this is very important. How 4x plus 5? 4x plus 5 means the position of 4x, okay, if this is x 4 times, so it means the distance of C from the origin will be 4 times. This is first, this is again x, second time, this is again x, third time, this is again x, fourth time. So from O to C, if we move, then O to C is what? 4x. Clear? This is 4x. Now we need 4x plus 5. So this is your 5. So the point OD represents 4x plus 5. Clear? If you have to allocate, this is your homework. You have to do allocate 3x minus 4, anything. You can do easily. We can express on the number line. Now, very important in the algebraic expression, what are their terms, factors and coefficient. So, we use constant and variable and separate them using the operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, whatever be. These part of expression, if we separate using operations, are called the term. Clear? The term are the separate parts. In 4a, if you consider example 4a minus 3y plus 7, there are three terms. First term is 4a, second term is minus 3y, and third term is 7. Clear? 4a minus 3y plus 7 is a combination of three terms 4a minus 3y and 7. If we take another expression 4x plus 5, clear? This is made up of one term 4x or another term is what? 5. Clear? This is the combination of a two term 4x and 5. These are added. If we subtract 4x minus 7, if 5 then minus 5, you can write anything. If I write 4x minus 7, then 4x minus 7. What is this? This is a combination of a 4x and 7 with using the sign of subtraction. Clear? What is a 4x? What is a 4x? Okay. 4x is a product of a 4 and x. Tree diagram we have read in the class 6. 4x. What is a 4x? 4x is a combination of 4 and x. Y is a 7. 7 is a combination of a 7 and if I write 1 then 1. Similarly 5. 5 is a combination of 1 and 5 and 4x is similar to 4x and 7. Clear? So these are the 4x minus 7, 4x minus 5. So the term, and I hope term and factors may be clear. If any doubt, then write in the comment box. I will reply. Now we move to what are the coefficients. If we consider expression 7xy minus 5x, clear? In this have two terms. First term is 7xy and second term is 5x, or with having the negative sign is the combination. Clear? So what is a 7xy? 7xy is a combination of a 7, x and y. Clear? So 7xy is a product of a 7, x and y. So this numerical term 7 is known as the coefficient. Clear? This numerical term 7 is coefficient of x and y. In this case, what is the numerical term? Numerical term is a 5. So 5 is a coefficient of x. What is 5? 5 is a coefficient of x. So what is the definition of coefficient? The numerical factor of a term is called the numerical coefficient, or simply we can say coefficient. Clear? What is a coefficient? Numerical factor. You have to always keep in the mind with the sign. So in this case minus 5. So the coefficient in the term 7x plus y is 7 and the coefficient in the term minus 5x is what? Minus 5. If I consider another example, x square minus 2y square. Clear? So this is the first term. Nothing is multiplied by here x square, it means 1. 1 is multiplied by here. So the coefficient of x square is what? 1. Coefficient of x square is what? 1. Or what are the coefficient of y square? Coefficient of y square is what? Minus 2. Clear? Minus 2 is multiplied by y square. Therefore, minus 2 is coefficient of y square. I hope it will be the clear. The term, there are two terms and coefficients. Clear? Now we move to next slide. What are the monomials, binomials and polynomials? These are the types of a polynomial. What are a monomial? Expression that contains only one term. जिसमें सिर्फ एक term होता है, containing only one term are called as a monomial. If we write mono, mono means होता है one. Clear? Keep in mind, mono means one, bi means होता है two, and tri means होता है three. तो mono means one. Example of monomial, we can write an example, right? 4x. देखिए, these are the 4x. This is only one term. Clear? Minus 7z 5xy square. This is only one term. if I use 4 separated by x with the operation plus, then let this is a binomial having the two terms. If I use plus and minus, then term will be extended. So therefore 4 plus x is a binomial. Similarly 10y, if I write 10 minus y, then this is what? Example of binomial. If I write 10y, 10y means what? 10 and y. Operation between them is a multiplication. Clear? So 10y. If so, this is a monomial example, or this is example of a binomial. Expression that contains two terms. Two term is known as a binomial. An expression containing three terms. Three term is a trinomial. Clear? Monomial, one term. Expression having one term monomial, having two term binomial, having three term trinomial. The example of a trinomial is a plus b plus c, 2x plus 3y minus 5. You can write anything, x plus 2y minus xy square. No, there is no 2x. This is x square y, x square y minus xy square plus y square. These are the example of a trinomial. You can write any example. Now, what are the polynomials? In general, an expression containing one or more term with non-zero coefficient, this is very important, non-zero coefficient variable having non-negative integer as exponents is called a polynomial. देखिए polynomial पावर्स जो होती चाहिए वो क्या होनी चाहिए? नॉन नेगेटिव होनी चाहिए, नेगेटिव नहीं होनी चाहिए. क्लियर? ए पोलिनोमियल में कंटेन एनी नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स. पोलिनोमियल में कितनी भी टर्म हो सकती है. क्लियर? वन और मोर देन वन. So these are the examples. A plus B plus C D having 4 terms. This is also polynomial example of. Clear? So monomial also is polynomial. Binomial is also in polynomial. Trinomial is also in polynomial. Clear? So because this is a 7xy minus, this is binomial, but this is also polynomial. This is trinomial, but this is also polynomial. I am repeating again. Monomials having one term, binomial having two terms, trinomial having three terms, and polynomials having any number of terms. Now we move to next point, like and unlike terms. Clear? Look at the following expression, 7x and 14x. These are the like terms. Okay? Variable is x and coefficient is changed. And similarly minus 13x. The 7x, 14x and minus 13x are like term. Similarly, if we find out 5x square and 9x square, these are the like terms. Clear? No. 7xy and minus 5xy. These are the like terms. There is xy is equals to yx. You have to keep in mind always. So therefore 7xy and minus 5xy are like terms. Why are 7x and 7y are not like? This is very clear because in this case variable is x, in this case variable is y, although coefficient is same but variable is different. The term like terms are in which variables are same, coefficient may be changed. In this case देखिए x and xy, these two variables are changed, therefore these are the not like. Again 7x and 5x square, 7x and 5x square, these are not like because you know very well x square is not x. X square is a product of x by it multiplying by itself x, and x को x से multiply करने पर x square मिलेगा. इसलिए 7x and 5x square क्या होगा? Different है, तो they are not like. Clear? Now we move to exercise 9.1. Very easy exercise. Identify the term, their coefficient for each of the following. देखिए in this first, देखिए term मेरे पास क्या है? देखो फर्स्ट में, फर्स्ट टर्म मेरे पास है 5xyz स्क्वायर और सेकेंड टर्म है मेरे पास 3zy. क्लियर? और अब मुझे क्या फाइंड करना है? कोफिशिएंट. देखो कोफिशिएंट्स. ठीक है, देखिए तो 5xyz स्क्वायर, कोफिशिएंट ऑफ xyz स्क्वायर इज 5 और coefficient of zy is minus 3. This is your answer. Now in the second questions, term, we write term and coefficient. First term is x, second term is x, third term is x square. So the coefficient of 1 is 1, constant itself here coefficient x, nothing is multiplied, therefore 1 is multiplied. The coefficient of x is 1. Same argument is given for the x square, therefore coefficient is 1. Now in this case term, देखिए first term is 4x square y square, second term is minus 4 x square y square z square, third term is z square. Now we move to coefficients. So the coefficient of x square y square is 4. Now coefficient of x square y square z square is very important, minus 4, not 4. We have to take the sign. Therefore coefficient is minus 4, or now the coefficient of z square is what? 1 plus 1. Clear? I am writing here plus, here plus. If you do not write, then there is no problem. Plus 4 is equals to 4. I hope it will be clear. Now same argument. Now there are the terms and coefficient. In this case 4 terms, 3 minus PQ, QR, or minus RP. The coefficient of, I already told, coefficient of constant is constant itself. PQ is multiplied by nothing, the minus 1, QR is multiplied by plus 1, RP is multiplied by minus 1. Clear? Now in this case, what are the terms? What are the coefficient of term? First term is x by 2, this is first, this is second, this is third. Now second term is what? Y by 2, third term is what? Minus xy. The coefficient of x by 2 is what? 1 by 2. Clear? X by 2 is written as 1 by 2 into x. Or coefficient of half by y by 2 is also half, or this is minus 1. Obvious, just like to minus PQ, minus 1. Now these are again polynomial having 3 terms, that is trinomial. First term is 0.3a, second term is 0.6ab, third term is 0.5b. So the coefficient is minus 0.3. देखिए coefficient of AB, variable is AB, so 0.6, or coefficient of B is what? 0.5. These are the answer. No need to solve them. If you write 5 upon 10 is 1 upon 2, that is also right, but the given is also your coefficient. This, I hope the question first will be the clear. Now we move to second question. Classify the following as a monomial. I write monomial is a M, binomial is B, trinomial is a T. Clear? देखिए x plus y, count the term 1 and 2. Therefore this is what? Binomial. Constant, whatever be the constant, it is always a monomial. If I write 10 to the power 10 to the power 10, then this is also example of a monomial. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is neither monomial, not binomial, not trinomial. So we can write it as a polynomial. Again 7 plus y plus 5x, this is a trinomial. 2y minus 3y square, this is having the 2 term. Therefore we can say this is a binomial. Again count the term, first, second and third. Therefore this is what? Trinomial. Again 3 term, trinomial. In this case 1 and 2. Therefore this is what? Binomial. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can write what? Polynomial. देखिए PQR, multiplication used. Therefore it is a monomial. Clear? If I write P plus Q plus R, then this is what? Trinomial. P square Q is a one term and PQ square is another term. Therefore this is the example of a binomial. Again 2P plus 2Q, this is the example of a binomial. I hope it will be clear. I repeat again, monomial, an algebraic expression having the only one term, binomial having 2 terms, trinomial having 3 terms. Clear? These are the terms. I hope it will be clear. For next questions, see my next video. Thank you for watching. अगर आपको अच्छा लगा हो तो then please subscribe it, like and share to your friends. Thank you very much.